Location, location, location. Everything in real estate is about where is the home, not the home. You could live in a condo, in a house, in a townhouse, in an apartment. You can live in anything you want. But what matters is the location. And yet, real estate search has been stuck feeding you the home. The 3-bedroom, the 2-bath, at this price, what's available. And it's great, and it makes sense, because we've been limited to that. The same way we've been limited to driving cars with gas. The same way that we've been limited to all-male CEOs. Life is no longer about limits. And we should be able to search how we want to search and live where we want to live. And location is really about lifestyle. Like, if you want to live somewhere that's funky and loud, and it doesn't matter what age you are, you know, you want to live somewhere that's vibrant and that has action, you should be able to find that. You want to live somewhere that's quiet and peaceful so you get your study on and not have to worry about distractions, you should be able to find that. And then once you know where the areas are that fit your lifestyle and your needs, then you go and find the home that's within proximity that makes you happy. That's what I propose. That's what I see as the future. And I think we're the ones that should build it.